What's up, folks? This is Andrew the blacksmith coming to you from downtown Bangkok, and today I'm reviewing Formula One commissions. Now that's a bit of a pun. Formula One, not O-N-E but W-O-N, meaning you have won commissions. So the case study, it's a simple rinse and repeat method that lets you cash in $169.61 per day. Oh, that's amazing. That sounds good to me. Zero costs, no list, no skills. Some brains will be required though, I have to tell you. You're going to have to use the noggin a little bit. Now Gavin and Rodney have once again produced an ace that puts you in the driving seat of your future online income stream, and may your stream become a river rivaling that of the Amazon. That is my wish. Oh look, here's my newfound friend, Dominus Markham. What a great fellow. We became friends on Facebook today. Just a little simple aside there. So scrolling down, these are all testimonials. Very good. I don't know any of those guys, but I do know Dominus. The product by Gavin Birchall and Rodney Yard. Rodney. I think I remember meeting Rodney once, back a while ago. So, truth is, you don't need a ton of traffic to bank 100 a day. Okay, well, it's what we all want. We want that little bit of income online, so you'll find in the comments a link to my bonus page, and click that, and then if you buy through my bonus page, you will receive the bonuses. And I'll just show you what they are. Here they are here. So you get quite a few. Now you'll be getting 10 ways to write more effective ads, 10 times commissions, and access your Bing mastery. This is one. I made this one myself. Look, I'll just give you a quick look. So when you click that, it'll take you over to Dropbox, because I use Dropbox for some of my bonuses, and there you are. You really get some good stuff there. I don't want to make this too long, but I'll just show you one. This one here. See, so that's what you get over in Dropbox. Alright, just moving back. You'll get a squeeze page creator, and you get the 5k publishing paydays. Well look, we'll hop back over here where we were before, okay, and look, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. That'll make an old blacksmith really happy, because I'm hoping to forge friendships all over the world, okay? So this is Andrew the blacksmith, once again coming to you from Bangkok, signing off with a Rickapootie and a Bandoogali.